Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Abeg, if today na una first time wey una dey watch this my channel, make una no forget to subscribe, to like and to press the notification bell so that anytime when I upload video e go dey sound for una phone kpakam. And for this my channel, we dey upload everyday the latest aproko, the latest gist in town. So guys, anytime wey be say I upload, make una come dey join me, okay? So I go dey see una, make una bye bye oh.
Like, don't get me wrong, everybody gets your own. I'm happy for her, okay? And everywhere good. Oh, sweetie, Sarah Tibo, where have you been? I don't see you just now. How are they? So I dey see the cows like everywhere. The way we meet this, the way we meet this, the way they take this, not be the same thing. And especially, yeah, maybe a person like me, I bully you. That's why I like this one is going to sound as a lesson to everyone. Like, that's me. I don't they avoid them. That's why I said people like it take care. Me personally, I don't avoid them. I made them avoid me. Because motivational speaker, when they do what they talk, when they know they show example of it, like the opposite, like no good, is very bad. I don't finish my video. I don't they look. I see Lolo. I see because I did like videos. They put and they say Lolo they bully Easy Ogbede and all of that. Even Rita, who again they watch Rita on yours now. Okay. That one now is not bullying. It's not bullying. Not be bullying. No. The way we meet us are different. Like, yeah, because me, I not taken, not me, say other people not taken. That's why from now you have to avoid. And this one now it is not going to be a lesson to some. They still will not hear. They will still not hear. This one what they talk to, they will still not learn. They will still not hear. That is the same problem. It shot everybody the passage of social media. They will still not hear. They will still not hear. Okay, I don't hate what I like. I don't like what I hate. Like, I understand their point. I understand, of course. Of course, I understand it. And I understand it on the other way that based on say me, I not taken serious. Me ya way me so or ma affect me. But it not affect me, not me say other people not taken. You understand? It not affect me. Based on say me ma take I did not take that advice. But if you consider reason in the other way, not be everybody be like me. Some people they very like they can take anything they see. But I will beg you guys to learn now. What y'all learn? Everybody go be like me when they not take that advice. I know it go hurt many people. Yes, it's going to hurt them. Yeah, I did a video before. I was saying like a joke, like, yes, who they wait for, not they wait for person. Why you will take person advice? Really, some people will retake the advice. Some people will retake that advice that time. Drive the man when he did their life or this one, that one, based on they no fit think of their own. Because this life sometimes you see me really, some people read the way they no fit they think of their own, and it's really painful. And it will really hurt some people to come see person when they tell me something I they take. Nah, see what you they do. Like if now me like from as I take your advice like that, it go pay me. Of course, it go pay me. You say, now some men not good, now so this one. That's why you just have to be careful of what we say. When they talk and sometimes some people will say, now so you say you don't want born. I've said this several times that I'm not ready. But some people can't take and say because I not see, because I not feel taking. I was like, okay, I not see, I don't want. And many videos they want for talk and say I never ready. But later anyway, nobody go feel use that one. Use that one because I've said this several that I'm not ready. But based on say some people come they because mine is different totally. So people come they talk and say, oh, you know, see, that's what I'll be like, carry go. So it's different from when you go say, and I not anybody say make they not born. Make they not born. Hey, pikin no good. The one when I did, I guess was like, born the one where you fit take care of. Like treat this. If it's better you not born than to born, you can't they maltreat them. They can't they, you know, like it they that now one they hurt me pass. Can't they put pikin for suffer? Because I know the reason why I never born. I never want to sit down for one place. Some people don't know my problem. They think I'm looking for. Before you know now, the next how many you'll see me for another place. I don't still move again. And pikin, you don't need that kind. If you don't get pikin, you need to be like, you know, sit your ass down. I know I have to sit my ass down for at least for some time. I need to, you know, toi. You understand? But some people can't change for this media say because I dey look for pikin. Oh, they cry for pikin. And to the extent I was forced to even say how many abortions I did. And I just did of recent. I was forced to say it. It's not something like you'll be proud of it. But I was forced to say it. And of truth, I do abortion. Am I looking for a child? No. But they change for this media say they look for pikin. Oh, because enough. Anyway, that one is not the problem because I know that I'm not looking for. And for the man, for Easy Ogbe, they'll say she can't marry because she deceived people before. Yeah, it's very bad to deceive people. That's why you have to be very careful with what you say if you are not doing it. That's why they don't say I hate fake people. I hate fake life. Like Ketekia, I hate it so much. I will block you. I hate it because they talk many things when they know they practice. When they know they practice, they know they Ketekia know they do one. What should they do different from what should they bring to public? And by the time you will not know, you will be crying. Oh, she deceived me. Just like people are saying it now, like now for this Ekia Kunyo. Yes, by the time you will know now, you will come they cry. The same thing you will say. Because she refused to bring it real, at least, even if you don't bring yourself 100% real, like bring some more, not everything you they lie. They show the people the other side, they pretend. They give the people the back. At least be real if now 70 or 60%. Talk and the way when it be. Say it the way it is. I understand I say it on my own point of view. Or I say it on my own point of view that yes, I'm happy for her. Because they tell if some of them go they wait like with what she talk, say make her pikin fair reach 18 years. Now they wait. You know, but our own side, I talk and based on say me, I not take that advice. And I consider say maybe some people they when you really take that advice. Some people they when you take that advice. And that is bad. Of course it's bad. Because deceive people finish, then you can't go do the thing. If I were to be in that show, I would be hot. Good evening, sweetie. Good evening. How are you? That's it. She talk about herself. Yeah, she talk about herself. And she was kind of telling people as well. Okay, yeah, she talk about herself. And she was kind of directing it to people as well. That, me, I don't want to talk about myself like fucking. Then I will be like, nah, me, I didn't say you should do it. If you want to do it, that's your, now you won't be that. But she was kind of really telling the people as well. Yeah, she was talking about herself. If her pikin never reach 18 years. And indirectly, you talking about yourself, you talking indirectly, And some people, when their mind not too strong like that, they will be like, hey, me too. Oh. Me too. When they follow you, they like you for this social media. Now here for no say people no read they. Some people they no get your kind of mindset. They are very fragile. Very, very. As you talk and so even if you not talk and say me they do, as you talking to yourself, before you know, they will start to they do. They will be like, me too, because they just like you. If this person say, me, they are like this. Oh, me, you come my husband, they fuck my pikin. Oh, I don't want any man to come close to my pikin. My pikin go there 18 years before I go marry, but you know. He go just still copy that style. Everything she go, the person will just still copy and many go there like that. We say they will just still copy and they go follow like that. For you, you go fix say you they talk your own self, you they talk your own story. But you forgot other people will they follow you, they follow your footsteps, they follow everything they do. That's one thing about these celebrities, these social media affiliates. That's why all these the biggest celebrities they are very careful. Because a lot of people they look up to them. A lot of people they look up to them, they take over, they look that they do something. And I don't know why it's like that sometimes. Celebrity, once you're a public figure, a lot of people they look up to you. Even if na backyard you call them, not be backyard you call them, you as you don't they a lot of people they're gonna be able to be like you. A lot of people are looking up to you. Thank you, sweetie. That's one thing about this our business. So when if you say I'm not be public figure, you know how many people they look up to me. When you see like, no be like when you see like my way, regardless. When you like me, and many will still hate you. I of course Beyonce, not be everybody like her. But we still move. Cristiano Ronaldo get fans. Messi get fans. So people not like Messi, people not like him. Now so it be, everybody must not like you. So we accept them like that. So I understand now. Cause they watch Rita yours now. You know, now they talk about say he bully you, like he doing you. Yes, even if that's why you don't have to do something later, because if your time of joy or your something come, people will come use them against you. If you do or say anything that is not right, anytime when you do that thing, people will come use them against you. That's just it. They will use them against you. It's not like they should be happy. No, be say they're not happy. Or just because say you do them on their own time, on their own. So when you all come, they go use them against you. They go bully you as well. You bully them, say they not get fine husband. You come marry with husband. They go bully you when they see you. Especially you go find 6-pack like the most handsome. Even if you still handsome, now in Aransi, no one said they'll see bullying, they'll see find what to take bullying. They will see find what. That's when you just have to be like the way you. If person not near you, the way you take the near them. Because me, if you near me, I near you. Say you won't come bully me later. That one I call your head dick. Now you fair near me. That's why you just have to be careful with the way you near people when they don't near you. And they talk and sing, say, yeah, I go marry for this Facebook, I go marry. If I see like, not be say if I see like when the time come, if I divorce, because now I'm still married. I'm still. Okay, person you can't tell me say I'm not telling say I go marry. Now you can't know. Me to say now many times I talk about for this social media say now 5 or 6 I won't marry. Now 5 or 6 I won't marry. That's why sometimes I know I'll be like saying it like the way it is, and I know it will happen like that's the way it is. Of course I go marry again. I go marry again. How many times I want to. When I permit, I go do one. I go fuck how many I want fuck. So if you can't see me they fuck, you'll say I not tell you. Or you will say I deceive you. That's why sometimes the people don't really know why sometimes I just have to say the way it is. It's not like I'm saying everything the way it is, but there are so many things I'm saying the way it is. Because even if it never happen now, it will happen later. And you shouldn't blame me. I'm not gonna fit tell you, oh, this one I'm not gonna do like one. I do one video one that I will like, I don't want picking. I don't want picking. Why did I do that video? The video when I said do before, they did not watch it. Because they were bullying me, say they look for. And at the first bully me, say me they look for picking. I was like, nah, I don't need it, I don't want it. But only me know say I never ready. Now only me know say I never ready to sit my ass down. Cause even by now self, I should have been how many months gone now? How many months I for even still there now? So only me know say I never ready. That's why I know even they care about what they talk. Oh, you know, see, they find picking. Even if I they find it consign you. So they were the one bully me. So this one, when they say that they bully Ekia Queen, not be bully for those people, men are not call them bully. Is not. You see it, see for their reason, see for the other side reason. Because now this now different how yeah me. Now different, now two sides. You're looking for this side, you're looking for this side. From my own side is different. From my own side, I was like, I don't care. All my own say me happy for her. That's my own side. I happy for her. She find the happiness where she wants and she get her and make it the permanent for her. But I can't control. I don't feel control waiting other people think about the situation like Rita, Lolo or atiti, anybody Frank or anybody when you want talk put when you want talk their own. You can't control that. Even Ekia Queen cannot control that because she know what thing she talk or what it so she don't even make una all those people when they want now commenters they want confusion make una your live people when they want express their grievance like you talk and say you not go do one and of a truth she said yes she will not do it. She said she will not do it and now she can't. That's why anything you say or do will be used against you in the court of law. This Facebook na court of law. Not be topic less. The time when Ekia Queen was once on Facebook, say she get belle like she can't. If to say Ekia Queen not get belle like not be this condition, she foresee the Facebook, okay? It's not like they not get topic. She don't first use and make nobody when get topic. No, you're living like that. You're leave it. Everybody get topic. You can't win. So now if they want to use it or they want to say it like the way they feel, it's their own right. It's their own right. And Ekia Queen not the verse put. She not the verse. Now other people they kind of like say she not the verse and me I not believe say she the verse put. No. She not the verse. She not the verse put at all. No. Yeah, she said it. And anything you said or do will be used against you in the court of this Facebook. Even for Nigeria, bloggers. For Nigeria, go check on. Waiting politician, waiting pastor, waiting this one talk. They will come bring the two. If you change, you they watch Panara. You they watch all those bloggers. They will say, see waiting you talk so time. Oh, see waiting you they talk now. Now media. So that's the way it is. They will go bring what you talk 20 years ago. They'll say, see Anna. You don't see change man. So maybe anybody when you want talk say not be so she talk before. Hey, is there all right now media, now social media. Now social media, okay, not be now social media with it. So that's why sometimes you just have to be careful of what you say. You just have to be careful of what you say. If not, they go use them against you, and that is sure. Even if they will say you something against me in the nearest future, maybe I'll say it before I forget. And based on say you when don't do you don't talk and you don't forget me, because me I don't even know self. I'm not going to even care. Like I will not be bothered about it. Ekia Queen not the worry, and Ekia Queen not even verse put. Because she was saying it like she was really saying it like she mean it. Oh, I don't need man. Man no fit come my house. Percy born meaning say make it not do vaga, make it not shuku. Oh, I see the video, not be alone. I see the video, I watched it, I listened to it. The video still there. Even some blogger now still get the video. In my pikin never reach 18 years, I not go there with man, not go marry men and some people really follow that thing. They will really follow. Now me they talk about this social media like I can't do without prick. Prick as ogboma as ayemiomo. Me I no fit go do lesbian na. I dey Chris. Like, no, I don't like her. Every time, like, really, and that's the truth anyway. It's not like I'm even pretending or I dey lie. No, I can't do no. If not to do comot, do as you go, no problem. So far, so I ta. There's some people even know me as ta. They call me ta. You know, you see ta. Because na natural. If God no want to make I like him, why God go put ta and the moyonko? Prick is like if God no want make I like him, like really, it's not like I even like it is a crime. Why God go put ta and moyonko? Why go put moyonko? They can't put that one say na the two of them they work. Why I can't go do? No. I don't like her. It's not like I'm condemning it anyway. No, another, you know, that one not go dey okay for me. It won't be okay. It won't be okay at all. You know the day satisfied. Even me, I know they even they like and say man they do. Man every time. No. It need to be ta. Fire down our ta. You know? No. That's why I'm not. I don't talk before of my video of like. Tongue, I know, they freak me. I'm not like that girl, like, if you not suck me, no, I feel even do without that one. In short, I no even want make you even do that one. I'll prefer ta. Like, fire down. Zagawa. Toto. So, why would I hate what I like? I like it and I like it. I like it and I like it. There's no shame in the game. Why can't they pretend or can't they want? No. Even if one no good. Now me if you talk about this Facebook, even if one no good, I prefer I rather fuck all the whole universe. I will do all. One no good, another one will good. Yeah, I test it. I test all. If I like, I test all. No problem. No pro. So some people will actually take that advice. Which another work I do, Jonah. When we won't have any mess, I know the rest. If I like I did social media for how many hours? When we have I not gonna that work. I hear all this house, now let me day here. Me and my people keep me company. Don't you know it's boring out here? Before you know now, I will poof me out, they wash. I tell my people, I beg. I want my drink. Now Europe, even if you go work, you come by very boring. Social media now we big depression, you know, big twin. La, sila go da. Nine. So some people will be hot. Of course, some people will be like, some people will take and maybe some people. It's not maybe, it's true that some people really take it, make I come visit. No problem, you'll come. Some people will actually take that advice. Though maybe they be single mother at that time. They with their pikin. They no go want me man come as. They will say no. If my pikin never grow, they no go because they like you. They like your way. You know many people you follow me by way straight and because they just like me. It's not some of them don't even need that. That's the late people can if they like you. They don't even need that. There was one when be say I know the belly flat everything. He just buy yours dash me. He just want to like not be say if she won't buy from other place or do herself. She know that's the lay people can do something just because they like you. When they see hate everywhere, not be everybody hates us. Me, not be everybody hates me. So people just like me, and they've shown it. Even when I say something, I've seen it. They just patronize me just because they just like me. I all tell them they'll instantly. So that's because people like you, they will just do anything you say just because of that like and love they have for you. So that's why we just have to be careful of what waiting with they talk when we know they practice in particular. Waiting with they always they talk. Then you might have me cannot remove myself. Many my vow give social media now. Our via yeke. Moku they reduce some, no they look back. You are vibe for if you don't condemn that thing finish, you can't go do. And that is bad. What is bad is bad, yes. You condemn and finish, you can't go do. Like, why will you do it? Then the monarchia aje no sungu we the worowa. Honor ya UK, honor condemn UK, honor ya ewa. He condemn UK like say tomorrow not day. Today okona the UK condemn. A UK na ya wana condemn. Or in ya moment, no be juju be that. They know they see their own, no. They know they see amo. When they swear UK, they condemn people. When you go curse people when they UK. I watched the video and I saw it. I have a doctor, hey, you want talk? So I get one. I don't have me. You have they crazy. You worry. Yeah, he may walk one. Their father. Now be the UK carry dead body go. So that kind of one is bad. It's bad. And the only thing when I go talk, say, okay, I don't talk when I not like, and I truth I not like her. And this life now, what you know like not the ways they get. Say the Bini. And now that one, I don't say, I met him out of do. So okay, say I won't marry my second husband. Now you can't be no. Maybe if that one and that one they will come talk, say you talk say you know marry me. I know say that one they will talk. I know say that one. Maybe for example now, I say Benin me because I don't fair fuck them. Some of them say they owe me money. Yeah, even go. They never pay. They say they owe me. That one I because what did they do because of their character and I make me even talk. Say tomorrow now, go say for example, God forbid, go marry Bini. No, you know to say yes, they will use it. Yes, that one, hey, they will. You what me? And Yahweh, hey, what Omila? If I won't deal with Omila, I won't kill Omila. Finally, I'll go marry Bini. Omila, ya only me wa Omila ne no la widi. E wa ya marry Oviedo. Omila wa. I'll go marry Bini if I won't kill Omila. Omila no soon will not baby. If I won't kill her, I'll go marry. You go now that one go you kill me pass for this social media. You see now let people they watch him, let people they watch them only. I remember me no get but she they talk. You see, oh now you know the idea though. That one go kill me. If I marry Bini, I will run for I will. That one don't say they will kill me put and no, now the Bini I will change it. Now Bila will kill me. Yeah, now let that one and it never happen no. Just in case it happen on Mila, we are whether you will die, you where we are moving. Say I want marry my the second marriage. Na here back, you know go take the second one. I no go take. I go marry Bini. They go kill me. You see that one? That's one. Now that one what they say they will use against me because yes, I really, and it's not like it's a lie. Me, I know because essentially I will see the one way be Bini or Ibo. And if I see the one way be Bini or Ibo, I go marry. When it be like Oibo. Omila do Omila do you know what me no you na Ibo but talk of ye do. Ya marry hen you can talk and hen dog one say she that say Bini not good na Bini go marry. And me I want to have me only me having Afghan's baby. That's my dream. But you know the life now. Me I won't get Afghan so like that's that one. I won't get. I don't know as it want to happen. Maybe the Bini go be Afghan. You know it go be Afghan. Not be full Bini go be Afghan. Cause me I won't get Afghan's baby, black and white. So it might even know yes. When we do I the Afghan oh yeah. When they go take give me Afghan's baby, you feel am? So that one I know say they will use it against me. Cause that one, hey, that condemn Bini, oh, he said Bini not good, oh, now he don't go marry Bini, oh, now Omila, and one more say, Omila, wow. He said Bini not good, oh, he don't go marry Bini, oh. God will give you your choice, thank you. That's why I'm waiting. To say for one marry Bini, for never marry, I think akpo 2 for €5. They're full everywhere. That's why I'm still waiting for the diamond. 2 for €5 for oh yeah okay. It was said he would die. Oh yeah gbe mo. Now that go kill me. Now me like go kill me. Now left there for like okay. They will say if I go marry Bini, though, hey, you say Bini not good though. Bini not good. They don't you go marry Bini. Apart from that one, yeah, I've been real and the truth is not like they say they hold me money now. Yeah, you pay. They never see pay now. Why you like all those kind of people? But you know sometimes now we that thing we be say you don't like past me. Oh my do ami. Amarene. If you can't be Afghans, if can't be Afghans, white life na better part. That's why they walk towards that side. Say last okay, can't see Afghans when it be half Bini, half Oyibo. Agwa na yari ma wo agwa na yari oka won bi. Na say why but they go kill me. But me I go ready. 2 for €5 that one last. Oh yeah, now if me I dey find business and me I never get. Now that one they will kill me for yeah agbe mo. Oh that one I don't know your life. Now that one I know say I don't thought when they will kill me, yes. Yeah, one. And it's not like only me. A lot of women don't talk their bad experience. And if the new men want made they talk good about them, may they change their character, yes. May they change their character. Like what they are really doing to our guests is not good. When I get so that you change for that one. It's not like I'm wrong. Not be say, hey, when I'm more young, who beside the life for their head. So if they don't want you to be talking about that, you change a little bit. And that's why I'm even saying it, that you change. Make the change. So I understand Rita. For Rita or for Lolo, but people call it Rita and say Lolo, they bully. Now yesterday she do marriage. And today night they do the video. So it's not like they bully at the day when she do marriage. So they even put a day. They put the wait, not be like the Lolo see her yesterday say she do marriage. Rita see her yesterday. So they just want, it's not bully. They just want to talk and say, okay, just this one and a lesson. Not be everything. Motivational speaker made they avoid me. In short, me. I they even tell them say make they avoid me. Yeah, all those fake motivational speakers, they should avoid me on this Facebook. Or if not, me I go miss on for us. So me I go let so what? Because the way they deceive people for this social media, make they avoid me. Make they avoid me. May they avoid me. Another one me wanted a shot now. Fake motivational speaker, they should avoid me. Because they are loud, they are fake ass. This thing is too much. They'll say you they talk something. Some na lie, some okay. The one way it be truth, now many pass. But no, everything where they talk na lie. Abba. Not be everything where they talk, say that they do, not be that they do. And people are listening, people are following. People they follow on a step. That's why we have to be careful of what everything we say, because a lot of people they fragile, a lot of people are very sensitive. Because me they look and like, hey, oh they she like the way me be. But I just sit down that they look Rita, they look. Because everybody get the way they think and the way they see things, and that one are true. If you want really learn for this life, not only look for your own side only, look for other people's side. Don't look it in your side only. You will be a side in and yes, point still there. And what we go do from now to they avoid fake and lie motivational speaker. Now to they avoid them more. Cause of that book man. You thought say na like this you be and not be like that. Yes, a lot of people are hot. They very they were not liking it that after everything you said, Ekia Queen, at the end of the day, the first man when he just say, "I know grab it," he can't look say, "Okay, now that thing now you can't redefine." But why did you say it? Avoid them more. I don't avoid them. Me, I go avoid them more, sweetie. I go avoid them because all they are not being real. It's not like I want them to be real 100%, but at least small. If you are already keteki no waro, oh ni any me wine, that one with me no. Ah, it too much oh. Jesus. At least you couldn't be real 100%, but small. Who you are 10 years on stop deceiving people. Because deceive sometimes is bad. Wa deceive agbo ya wa tell emi nu hi. Wa tell ya. And people they are watching and they are taking it. They feel say na so you be. Just like this Ekia Queen now. Yes. People when you want verse, they are very free to verse. You say you don't want. Nah. The first one you grab on. Ah. They'll be like, eh? But why you can't talk say you don't want? You know? It get be. And please, you people should take it easy with her, please. Wallaho, why we read you? And Moku take her as a lesson. Moku take her as a lesson. And because when you are hot as well, when you are hot, you can say things, eh? Because me, I know. When you are hot, eh? When somebody hurt you, before you will say some things when you don't know. Me, I know. She say it out of the hot. Out of the hotness, like the hot when that has given. That's why I did not take it personal. Also, I not take it personal. She said it because of the way the other that IS baby father hurt her. All those, or she even said it as she was depressed. She said many things. So see, when she can't see person when he love her and when he show her love and care, now she grab her. You know, me will not to blame her too much. If person hurt you, you get being, eh? It's not like she was really, maybe she could have think say okay, she not go see person when she go love or when he go really love and show her love anytime soon. Cause if she have that, she for not talking. That time when she take talking, she never get this guy. She never see that love and care. Say person they read like, you know. She not see at that time. And that time she was single and she was still hot. When if you dey hot now for those people don't get heartbreaking, you know how it is now. In some kind of things when you dey talk, say sometimes you not go remember, you be like, if they will tell you say why you talking, you say, eh? She was, I know she say it out of hot, heartbroken and everything. Okay? So more not to take and serious, personal and too serious. Too serious, I beg. And more could learn from her. Not be everything we go they take. Even me avoid motivation. Me I they do motivational speaker. I know they do motivational speaker. But in case if I do avoid me, come me I want to avoid some idiot for this Facebook. That they mislead die. For Ekia Queen, she say it out of hurt. It's not like she meant it. No, she did not meant it. That I know. She did not meant it. That was not true. Say that even they laugh. No, if I motivated, I'm gonna avoid. Make if I talk waiting and not go do make una avoid me. Cause enough is enough. All this like lie everywhere. Moku. Now why I put a stop? Abba. Come here, I want to avoid many. I want to avoid this. Ay, Jesus. It is the name for they made it not compare you. Yeah, I know many. I say the way it is. Like for me, that was some people the way they feel whether me get secrets, whether me they hide anything. Almost everything, almost my life, like I did transparent. Now people will not know me, they feel say they fake or something. No, I'm very transparent. That's why they never feel anything against me. I'm so transparent. Me, I know. If me, I be some people, there are some things I will not be doing, or I will not be showing, I will not be saying. Some people, when they man, hey, Jesus. You know, I know. That's why I say they talk now. The only one where they will use against me now be that Bini. Eventually, maybe for example, I come marry Bini. Now that one, only that one I know say they will use against me. Not be even the bunny, or the bunny. I not tell they say I not go born. I say I never ready. Now let the Bini. Now the person who go use against me now Omila. Omila have a low. And because of Omila self, because of Omila make it pain now. Because Omila, me o no das ugbo lokun. O ya hit whoever mere roge. If I just say I did with Bini, Omila go your die. Omila wow. I know say na Bini people they rush me. Na me they avoid them. Because I say me they avoid me all those motivational boyfriend. May they avoid me. You know say na me they avoid them. Na me they avoid them. Motivational boyfriend. Motivational speakers, please, why reduce the war? And especially be careful of how you say things that you don't do. You see now people they complain. Easy over here now she married, do I think she's happy. But she not ever think and say, okay, people will think and like it, they will think. Now so it be, now so life be. That's life for you, and this is social media for you. Social media not they forget. Social media don't forget. And not they forget. When they read social media, not they forget now truth. You know they forget. They will go bring and not be so you talk you tie so 1990 something. Not be so you talk 1990 not be so you talk is in light to a single mother and they save them fear motivational speaker. No, that's why I'm telling you now that it's not like she lied. Really say she lied, she really mean her. I just say now like she was hot. If you can see through her, like through the way, go and watch that video again. You'll know say like she said that out of hot. Cause nobody when they will put sugar for her mouth when he no go take. In this life, when we dey so, forget money, forget gbola, forget every other thing. The only thing when it matter pass na rest of mind and happiness. You do with person when they bring your mind down. The way when he love you, love and like you. Nothing pass and like forget. You forget that thing. Your mind go dey rest. You know they put your heart for high jump. You know they give you reason to be jealous. Like they give you in attention, in love, everything. Your mind, even if it come out, your mind go there at rest. Your mind, no, they do. Nothing past that one, no. Because what is where they kiss if na high blood pressure, heart attack. Nothing like rest of mind, peace of mind. When you see person they give you nothing like that for real. Like let's say the way it is now, nothing passing. Because if you even get money safe, rest of mind not there, you are in big shades. The money is useless. That's the truth. Money they important, yes, hey, you know. But let's just say there sometimes let's just be real. And if you find somebody when he give you that rest of mind, when he give you that peace of mind, and that time she was hot. Now she don't talk what she talk before she can see person when she love, but when they give her the peace, everything, the love and the attention and everything, and the word can't be taken back again. She not fit take the word back, because if she can take the word back, she will take it back. Of course, she will take it back. She not fit leave a pikin man go come go fall. Yes, who no want dey with man? Normally, na man and woman I God create. Man and woman, those two. You can't do with the other. Sometimes you will be like, "Whoa, they very hot." You'll be like, "I don't need them." I pray me you don't need them. As a woman, I want me. That's why me they talk as a time. Even if I have to do all I will do. Cause na as they gboma na as they see they drink. Na river they keep person. Now that's the water we go see drink water because without water no life. You see say river you keep person you I no go drink water again. I no drink again now. Me I say how long you will live. So now be this boyfriend and girlfriend or relationship or anything. Before you come finally see the person. I said it the other day, I said my sister, our last born, only the man when he virgin and nine, and I'm proud of that. Like yes, even if you say okay, I wayward. But inside my family, I virgin or wole man when he did with and when he virgin, my mother and I born for. Like some go day, you go need to meet 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why some go be 1? Why some go be 2? So everybody gets your own different stars or destiny for this life. Say because say she can't date with only one person, then I can't say I must date with one person even if I did die. No. Never. If you know you're good, I don't move. We keep stepping. You don't watch 2 can play the game. 2 can play that game. 3 can play the game. Vivica A Force. I like that film. Keep stepping. Keep. You're the step they go. Until you can't see the one way you can finally, because no matter how you go see even spoil rich, how you go fuck rich, how you go do a big wage rich. If you not body on got something where they keep mind. You go level you. You go level. You go submit. When they don't come to that one, except say you not like that person, you go mellow, you go just that thing go on boy you. It go on boy you. Hey, I know that. Yeah. But now last now you come if you see the person where you like. If they tell you say cat queen go enter us now, you go say you want I know they do again. Now prick the level person. Prick. We person where you like, not be all prick anyway. The one where you like, the one where you cherry, the one where you like. Nice the level man. So now so it be. Now prick the on boy you. Sarah is still going to find love. Just time. And mine was still there out there now. I tell if I talk before, I still get one out there. I go, yeah, of course. Even if yes, spirit. Oh, it's still there. It did somewhere. He did wait. It just that I just say make all those girls not finish and before it come. You need a warrior wafu. Ni a get back here because he a back here. Make it quick come before they come file. Ni a ke file. Anyone will come meet or manage. If you not quick come, now you know. If you not quick come, now you know. Make it a wait. So nine. If you see person when you if you tell you say can't go your entire, you go say, oh, I know they do, I just want you go believe. Now person when you like when you learn now that thing they won't boy you. If you not lawyer, you real ya. And if na person when you like, you must humble. Like they know they tell you like it they come natural. Because if you feel the person when you not like, you will see they do grab because you don't like. You don't. That one not be that one. But when the right one come, you go level. They will be like, hey, now say that T-boss be this. Now me, I don't go. Now my back you they see so. Eh? See Sarah, hey, say that way they do when I go lie down for that day, you say I be baby of today. That day, they look when that thing go, when he go level me on that day, when he go rap, when I go rap on that day, you'll be like, now Sarah be this. Yes, now me. Now me. What do you think before? What do you think? Oh, say that way they say, now me the chest. Oh, what's so done nothing, I forget that thing. Now so now the way got it one. Now so got it one, not be my like not my fault. God say I don't want the humble person. We can't do without it. Me I no fit do without cassava. Ah, even to the last day self, I will first do one. The day when God will come, I will like only one. Just me I just do one before we move. More go settle down. Oh, you can walk back. I'll go there. How you walk bye. You got it. If you don't got it, forget it. If you don't got it, forget it. Big congratulations to her. Yes, I'm happy for her. Like, I'm happy because when you find joy, and I pray it's permanent and it should be with it. When you find joy, you find person when he like you, when he love you, when you love as well, when they make you the, because to make person to smile, to smile. Now one of the difficult thing, no, very difficult. To deal with person when they make you they smile always, when they bring out your 34 teeth. Every time you they smile, not be fake one outside though. Because me prefer to the smile inside and not smile outside though. The real smile will be say every time you they smile, you they open your teeth. Not be fake one anyway. This one are fake. It's not easy, oh. It is easy. It's not easy. To find person when they bring your smile, when you make you they smile from within. You think it's easy? And when you find that person, sit down there. Sit down there. Toi. Okay? And when the cassava come big, it come there. What are you looking for? Sit down there. That smile. Now ultimate. No go there. You got it? You got it? So now we are going to be avoiding some motivational speaker. Because you get why. To avoid story that touch in the nearest future. To avoid story that touch in the nearest future. Because it's so why some people they know they do. They know they do. That one I know in a doing. That one they know they do. In why. So to avoid story that touch in the nearest future. So let's be more know what thing would they take. Even for me, if I avoid those motivational, avoid me. 32. Okay, now 32. Not 32 I talk. Hey, yeah, no. Even if na me avoid me. So don't not be all born for white man and better pass. Not be all. Not be all not be all good. Some black women they use juju. No, not be all white men good though. Like some now they if you say okay, the white one when he give paper when I marry this one, I did not be some not go even be like that. So not be still all. If you jam the good one, okay, fine. You jam some self, some black man even good pass they have said it on the social media, of course. And that's why I say it on one of my videos, depends on the person, depends on individual. Depends on individual who you may call, whether white or black. And so women they talk and say some Oyibo not bad. That is the worst past black. Yes, it can be true, of course. Of course, not be all Oyibo good. Yes. Say my own good, not me say I will say now all of the good. No. So please, guys, please. More take an easy on the Ekia queen. Okay, she was hot. She was hot then when she do that video. Please, she say it out of hot. Yeah, and for those when they believe her, when they take her beg, make una why we make una no verse. Okay, make una no verse. And from now, make una they avoid us. Especially the fake and useless one. Why avoid? I beg. That's why now they talk the truth sometimes. The people they feel say you they lie. Because with the lie when you there everywhere, they talk about the take care now. Some people they say you they lie. That's it, because when lie go down too much self, if you didn't talk truth sometimes, they know the feel say that you they lie. So but we move. With time we will know who they lie. Everybody will know who they lie. You feel that? You feel that? So with time everybody will know who they lie. Because if lie don't too much, this one don't lie, the other one don't lie, this one, even the viewers, the commenter will be like, all of them are the same, I beg. They know whoever, and it's not their fault. Even me, I will say it's not their fault. Because when lie don't too much, when a lolekia no, I say sorry, monekia, when monekia your lie for the social media. Monekia lie, condemn everything when we say she like. If not let the one when she do, or say it reach when people not go believe anybody for the social media. If not the one when monekia do, it reach when people not go believe people for the social media. Because the land they condemn, which they condemn everything. It reach. So you not blame people sometimes will be like, oh, now that's it they lie, you know. Yes, but me, I know with time they will know the bad head for inside, they will come out. That is why you don't always talk too much when you are angry. And when you are angry, don't say that now. Sometimes when you are angry, is when you pour it out, you will be okay. Me, if I get angry, not your home, you leave me make a point, that will be okay. Because I want to be okay. Yeah, sometimes you don't talk out of anger. Because you will say things that you will regret later. That's truth. That's why they talk. That's why I see the beg now. Like she said it. She said the ritoto and na ritoto and lolo na me see, na me don't see. They are right, like they are on their right. They're on their right to say like, why did you deceive the people? Why did you deceive you because you know see you go marry? Why did you deceive people that men are not good, men are this, men are that? I hear you when I yeah, that one, the line when that one don't talk alone. And could you believe it's so amazing to believe say now that lie people now people they follow. Can you believe that? Sometimes you will be like, I be me too see they talk this lie. You believe say now the lie people you see the way they when you yakbe where I hear you wa no your big with the lie when she don't like for this social media with the way she they condemn everything that she like she condemning. Now they live family. No, you see, huh? So you see, sometimes now some people they lie, they'll be like, since na lie now they like. Maybe they just still join. Later they'll come they quarrel, why did you deceive people? Why did you lie? If only we they lie the truth. For Lolo and Rita, I look for their own point of view. That's why I want this video. I see and I look Rita, I look Lolo like, yes, they get right to be angry like, oh, not be so you talk and you tie. Why be say you never even reach a year, 2 years, hey? They get their right, everybody get the way they think, everybody get the mindset, everybody they think on you. Not be the way we taste him, not be the taste him. And that's truth. So not be bully. For person, some kind of writer for my Facebook say, Lolo they bully, no, that's not a bully. You are correct, people. People love lies. That's why some people they lie more. People like, thank you, my brother and sister. They too like lie. Now that lie, they say. And if they talk true, what I tell me on all way. Me the person you the value what me na hear your wawaje no your biegbe. You wa vane. Anyway, we move. But now this one where they content they cry, so they cry. Oh, you deceive us. Hey, you not us say, I beg. Now not be Lolo and Rita they talk now some commenters and the viewers, some people when they say they deceive them. Maybe she not really deceiving. Nobody even take the advice now, but some people they take and go. Maybe nobody even take the advice. I will say go more than ware kia again, wawe kia again. When they pray with prick, now I will content that kind of advice. Sometimes they would imagine say who will take that kind of advice. Wawe kia again now they fuck steady. Wawe kia, ama we kia atinya, you know. Wawe kia. I say the one where you say that they do lesbian. And if you don't like a kia, you like a kia the way I like her. I'm not believing you will do lesbian. You will do no, you not go do that one. You will not like it. you will not get it. You know will get and where. So that's it. So she's no matter what, don't join it to like me. No, for me to lie, me wala. For me to come the lie, it wala wa. I know say the people not like truth, but to come the lie, I ain't task. Because you know one thing about lie, sooner or later, Ogwale Dagbo, it will come out. So that's why I don't like it. The truth, you don't talk. Nothing, waiting work. Now only lie they expose. Sooner or later, it will come out. And what will you do then? Ekia Queen, she will apologize to her follower that she deceived. That marriage is a scam. If she feel like she want me, I'm not to tell. Maybe if she feel like it's the right thing to do, okay, it's the right thing and it ain't necessary. She will apologize. Not with me go tell her. If she feel like okay, now if people when they take the advice or when they take a person and when they take her to the other side, when they take her to condoin or she hurt them in any way, if she feel like she want to apologize, she feel and so okay na right thing, she go do am. Now I'm not the one to say that. No. I'm not the one to say it. Now she go think whether she will apologize to her fans when she say marry na scam, you know, this one, that one, and she come marry, on in the right way, and the right thing to do anyway. But only if she feels so. Only if she feels so. And for those that take it personal, why take a personal? From now, beg what people they know it now they take. I've talking for the video when I do before. Not be everything. Take the one when he go let you use. No maguelo fear for ye basura. Trowia. At the time na me I want to avoid them. He may hear avoid them cause fake motivational speaker. Our motivational speaker when not they use their own life this thing they motivate. Me I want to avoid them. Then you know as he bad rich, he too bad though. He may hear avoiding, especially having him me one, having him high. Me I will avoid them. I will to avoid them because all here too much. They are fake. Everything is too much for me. I not fit beer. So you have to do this. Avoid them. Wash, but not be everything. I remember the bone now. Now you they talk. So that's it. I understand Rita and I hear some caller, many caller. You know how many people they watch that and they hear some caller they call. They talk and the way when she take talk and before men are this, men are scam, men are this. If they see person where they talk and read, want me to talk and they will say, I share what this one, they won't kill me. Fine, men not good, but as a woman as I ain't woman. They know if hey swear mouth, the ma. Why single mother full everywhere? They're good. I know say some single mother not see good. I know say some women not see good though. We see the talk and some not see good. Some women not see good. We don't nobody good. We are as a human, both the man and the woman. None of us good. We all they manage each other. We move to Ekiadodo. Not before we come up for this planet. Now to manage each other small self remove. Cause none of us even good. Who good? Amma. Hey, you know good, You good. Nobody good. On the real sense, the same way we can't look and when nobody good. In my manager be here. And so what they do and they go to we go meet God. Anywhere when he there or anywhere when they go if they die. Cause I don't know the place. So more they manage each other, they go like that. Okay? Nobody is perfect. Yes, nobody. oh, you not good though. This one not good though. Me not good. That's why they will use on sometimes. Say me are not good though. Me man. But some people you they claim say they're good now. Though if you don't see them, you don't see sense. Those are the type I don't like. Nobody is good. Nobody claim perfection for where I did that. I don't. No. No. Some people too they like that. Oh, I'm too good. I hate this. No, too much now. Nobody as a human being, we they manage ourselves. We they manage ourselves. They go. The side then when me not a good. Yes, and I know and accept. Side still then when you not still take good. As a human being, whether you be man or you be woman, eke waro nuna ma woman bo my way. So not because you don't see my own, you won't call the phone assistant Jesus. Some people you see your own, see before you know they'll call the form assistant Jesus, secretary to Jesus. If you're the look, you call the thing said now they side by side with God. Because they all see your small one, automatically they all turn reverend. Yeah. As a human being, even the pastor, the reverend, like nobody good. That man, my manager, no one. Not clean, not perfection and perfectness for where I don't. And if you are too perfect and too, and me, I know they like all those kind of people. And me, I know they like people when they claim perfect saints. You like him, you get why? Cause you not be God. I know they look for. I know they look for angel. I know they look for Jesus when I want marry. Quand they claim too perfect, if you are too perfect, quand they are like no, there's something here on that man. No, just show yourself. I accept it, baby. We accept ourselves. Sarah Bell, where it can't me for other husband where they ring coat. Sweetheart, I me want to know now. I don't know. No, the most important thing is that she's married and she's happy. She's married and she's happy. Oh, now say when I argue, man. Cause I'm like bonfo agiaro man. That's what made they say because people they'll talk, they'll must see something till later. Even if you don't even laugh person before, you don't bully person, no talk. My yemi yagi wama we are on naminata. You know. Now this we have to be careful. Even me, we have to be careful. How with the say you want to go bring a Rancino and say you want marry, eh? You want to go bring Rancino, you go bring now I make some head and now na go pure of my go. So not they even they feel they present their husband because it's not presentable. Oh yeah, I marry a boki no raw. Head they go one side, the face they go one side. And now they go see your husband, yeah, not good. When they can take care, eh? They not feed say, see my husband. Like they can't be proud to even present it. They can't be proud. So that's why we all have to be careful. Even me, I have to be careful. If not, you go red for the social media. You go come Instagram. I never know. I won't even go Instagram when I come they look Rita Yosna. Maybe won't even go Instagram. Say I won't go she because don't think I don't see my Instagram people since. I won't even go there before I see when I come they watch it. I call this say this Ekia queen you not be doing me tasting like I can't they think they for their own side as well. I was like I won't go there. I wanted to go there. If me I don't know say I don't marry or pure or mango, the one way face the the long he mo la di on cause this social media they go yan lo megbe. I say na 6 park. Oh yeah, fion. If I use anyonyo some people, yeah anyonyo, you don't do loko. You can see but you can't touch. I say na 6 pack. Oh, if na 6 pack. Woo! I go too shwamo. How you gonna do loko? You see that one where they there? You see that one? That one are the first one. I use something they cover that one. Maybe show it then now. It's not like no be say I not they proud or something. I show. I'm a big one. So that one, maybe the next marriage now. If na 6-pack, I'll come show. So if we like, now they show you, why I go show you? Well, me I go to show you, like really. It do again, salo. Now when I Jesus, some people are wicked. Some people are very wicked, very wicked. Now never laugh me rich. Now when I found that one, I want to laugh me. Oh, go let me over. Anyway, I don't feel on say now old person. Which another thing they find? I hope you are. No, they must see one thing. This way. You short, I no go show me. Show. Except I don't see no. Before some people show their husband for marriage for Belgium. Now because it don't almost show because I got more LA. I beg. I got more LA here. No, if I not they proud with my again, I know they marry, you marry because the one when now they use the paper they cover you. The one when now they put tissue paper, yeah, sell it tape that way. No, I know they do that one again. This one will be the first and last. Now ya cover, I mean now I cover face. I know they do again. Then the one where they show. Now that kind of marriage I will do next. Some of men la how they do the married person they cover the face. Enter wash show instantly. Be on everywhere still. Who be rancing no and self? You don't know rancing no and as soon as I not even find again self. As you know I not even find again. So nine, if you know say you bully person, you're the radio that will bully your own. You're the ready almost ogwaleke fian. They go call somewhere for this Facebook. They go call somewhere in fian. This Facebook. They go use camera to naked you. Say that you're a boss man cute too. As you see, even though like it's not like 50-something years. You see they like that. There must be something talk. There was something talk. You never know them. Ooh, it's not like it's not ugly, but they must see something talk. But that one near a big one in it. Now all of them go show. For you come married 3 husbands and all no, not the one that is going to be made no by the guy at the top. On your show, I show you. You'll be like, I first sit down and that they say no, you're not gonna know. The one that is going to be made no by the guy at the top. Now that one. Now that one. But for the meantime, I can't big way. Maybe the newspaper they cover some face. Over the newspaper they cover some face first. Just for the meantime, you got it. If you don't got it, forget it. Ah, Jesus, love you all so much. You guys are amazing. So we move. I'm a red name. I don't care. We don't come. What to do? So. Mock with the avoid them. So mock with the avoid some motivational speaker right from now. This one now will be lesson. I beg everybody, even me. I not be me. I demotivate. No, I not demotivate. Me motivate na it manage. So not if in case if I do motivational speaker, no matter avoid me. Just avoid the that's. For that, okay? So make we dey know how to take some things personal and serious for this Facebook. Because the people when they talk, many of them they know they do. Now we know they do. Make I not remove myself. My way. We know they do. We know they do. That's why please, you still they me I dey watch. I dey follow people. I dey follow different stars like different celebrity. That one not see say me I know still they do my own life they go small as he reach. So I believe that's how we all still to do it as well. Me see they follow people. Just wait for they follow me. I see they follow people. Not be only people they follow me. No. I still they follow people. But I still they plan my own small when they do according to. I know say I no go fit stay with pikin now. And I never born, right? Me, now let me demotivate myself. Some people don't know. Now let me demotivate myself. Now let me do my life according. Yeah, why we think move, boy, why we think move, I don't move. I don't see talk where they go. You know? So even if you have to listen to motivational speaker, bear load one way they take. Cause we know they wait, or we know they wait for anybody. You come here, why me or the banner, the one way that they open and cover, the one way that they remove paper. I don't carry, not you know what I say. I not tell you. Maybe mune, it don't enter as be that. So I beg. Even Rita said, congratulations to Rita in advance. I hear one video when somebody they do say she will soon marry. I am your go na me go to drink champagne. I pop champagne. If you see 6 pack just now, and I see the person where na diamond drink I dey find. You want me not a diamond your, but maybe mune I don't enter so. Na muda he muda want so this so. You're the like really. Me, I know they wait for any of them. I know they wait too, because I know them. Yeah, motivational speaker. I'm idiots. Now wait. You they live your life, do your thing. Even if you must take any advice, take the good one and throw away the other one for their face. Even if not my own, throw away for my face. Yeah? So 9. So thank you so much. I will see you guys. Please, let's take it easy with we'll take it easy with easy. We take care queen. Let's take it easy with easy. Okay? And Mo y'all take and say she was hot when she do that video. I beg. Ritoto, I beg. Make una beg una here. Wallaho. I beg go wallaho. Cause if person dey hot, not the person not they talk. Oh, I mean not. I know I be. If you dey hot, you call it talk. You not think where person not fit talk. As the prick taste tomorrow, as the prick not the sweet oh. If the sweet before, at the wedding, nothing. I mean neta. So 9, make una beg. So love you all so much. Thank you guys. And let's know how we listen to motivational speaker right from now and take this as a lesson. It should be as a lesson. May it sound as a lesson. Yes, now that's why I say make they take her easy with her. She bully Rita husband and Lolo. You see, and that's why I say if you do her, they will surely do it to you later. Now you na cause and will be so okay. Nah that they do it to her. Yes, it's true. Especially when you will say you bully. Also, me and I go and say no, because they will say you against me. You bully person, you will say you not fine. If I go marry Wowo, they will make they will no, they will to use me. I know. Yeah, yeah, no. They will say nah. 9. They will to use me. If I am your part of my go like their boki, see bullying. Sarah, come here, who be this? Sarah, who be this? No, you but Omila. No. Where do you go carry? So you know nobody as you carry it, also you condemn. When I reject, no yamu. Say I when they reject, now I go carry. No, I will need to fire and say no. If not, they will kill me. This social media, no, if you not run, human, yeah, wait. Yeah, low. Jesus, no, fear these people. Fear that even if the hair not pure, they will use this in pure and they will long and well, yeah, they go see. Oh, So for the record, I don't worry. It go take time, but I go find and see. No, I mean, I go and say, no, me, bugwa. No, me out now. I mean, no. I Jesus. Thank you all, guys. Love you. It's boring area, so when I do well, when I take easy with Akia Queen, okay? Love you all, guys. Lolo and not be bullying. They just repeat what she talk. That's it. Okay, it's not bullying. New fake account is loading. Okay, what you want to do, Amabi? Come pay me. I marry you for 2 years only. Me tell say I dey find that one. Only I not even do this one. Me, I not even pay for this one. I thought was like, really? No, sorry. I mean, you want to give me diamond. You where the diamond in there? Okay, you never buy. You know here when I talk, I say no, only diamond now is allowed here. I say can't pay you join like really. Maybe me diamond. Now you say now she not read you they won't give me be that now. So now she not ring the day your mate won't give me. Me no go see diamond. Me I say can't pay you on top. Or tell me if I say we'll leave the marriage side. Like I pray, you do well. Yeah, I'm already. I beg. Come up for road, maybe people when he go bring diamond, make them for pass. Yeah, make a nag. Love you guys. Thank you. I'll see you guys next time. Love you all. Avoid your motivational speaker. Avoid them. People like it take care. Avoid them. I don't see talk my own. No, if not, some people will still cry later. Love you all. Bye. Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware.